it's not against the rules to put your hands around, but usually 1 out of 3 people who tries it ends up on the ground, standing on their back trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
And that would be you, Scotty.
Okay, we should show him our handcuffs.
Consider that.
All right, these are real.
They are real, and it feels like I'm in the back of a cop car.
So 3 of us will be handcuffed.
Yep, so half of the group will be handcuffed. And so the idea here today is you are a special task force. You've been tracking a drug cartel.
Oh, we are special, all right.
You've been tracking a drug cartel, and about a month and a half ago, your Lieutenant Bob went missing. While searching
Bob,
for
we
him,
gotta find Bob.
Yeah, that's exactly what you're looking for. So half of you got captured while looking for him, and you're being held in a cartel safe house. You know where the rest of you are a rescue team. You know where the safe house is. You know how to get in during a guard change to an adjacent room. From there, you have 60 minutes before they check on the prisoners in order to get to them, get them out of their handcuffs, and find a way to escape.
Do you guys care about us enough to help us escape? I don't know about that.
Insert we're going to start here.
So really, we could just let them all sit in a room for 60 minutes while we leave.
Let's go get a drink.
I mean, it's right around the corner.
So brought you.
So can we call a friend?
And that's important. So you will be communicating between the 2 rooms. So it might be something in one room that unlocks something in another room. So you'll have an adjacent wall that you'll be communicating through. You can hear each other.
So these shady people have to come save us?
That's correct. How much trust do you have?
You're the reason we got into this situation.
Thank God Sam's on my team. She's so good at these puzzles.
You guys are so screwed already.
Yeah, you picked the wrong person to be handcuffed.
So much like last year, there's a monitor in the room that'll give you your countdown so you'll know where you're at within your 60 minutes at all times. We'll provide additional hints and clues as necessary on that monitor via text. Everything in the room has a solution, so nothing requires any brute force of any kind. Please don't break my stuff. Any questions
Troy.
on anything?
No breaking stuff.
No, let's do
so.
this.
One
Do
time.
it.
Let's
I
begin.
have my hairs in my
You,
face.
No phone.
you break something one time, Troy, and you
bring your
never
phone in
live
with
it
you.
down.
Okay.
So we made it.
The interesting part is when
We made it.
Pause.
How do you feel?
Is that what you want?
Mentally exhausted.
Scotty, how do you feel? We made it. With
My shoulders hurt. I
6
carried the
minutes to
team.
spare.
They're so sore.
No,
Hey
I
guys,
carried the
We
team.
need to all take a picture.
And I also got my hands out of the handcuffs because my hands are so skinny.
Yeah.
Troy, you're taking pictures. What'd you think?
Man, that was intense. But we made it.
We did
We made it.
What a team.
Which is what we didn't do last year.